Apple is raising the bar once again with the launch of the Apple Watch Ultra 3, a powerhouse smartwatch that blends rugged design with cutting-edge technology. From a larger, more immersive display to breakthrough health and connectivity features, the Ultra 3 is built for adventurers, athletes, and professionals who demand more from their wearable tech. Magnifying glass tilted left. What's new in the Apple Watch Ultra 3? Mobile phone larger edge-to-edge display. The Ultra 3 boasts a stunning 51 to 52 mm wide-angle OLED display with ultra-slim bezels and a sleek waterfall gauge design. This upgrade offers enhanced visibility in all lighting conditions, vivid colors and deep contrast, a more intuitive experience for apps, maps, and notifications. Whether you're tracking workouts or navigating trails, the new display makes every interaction feel immersive and effortless. High voltage powered by the S11 chip. At its core, the Ultra 3 runs on the next-gen S11 chip, delivering faster app launches and smoother multitasking, improved responsiveness across all functions, energy-efficient performance with LTPO3 display tech. This means a smoother, smarter experience, whether you're checking messages or monitoring your health. Extended battery life. Say goodbye to daily charging. The Ultra 3 offers 2 to 3 days of battery life under heavy use, up to 6 days in low-power mode. Perfect for long hikes, travel, or busy workdays, this extended battery life ensures your watch keeps up with your lifestyle. Satellite advanced connectivity and emergency features. Stay connected wherever you go with 5G support for faster data and seamless connectivity. SOS satellite communication for emergencies in remote areas. These features make the Ultra 3 a reliable companion for outdoor adventures and critical situations. Red Heart smarter health monitoring. Apple continues to lead in wearable health tech with a new high blood pressure indicator, enhanced heart rate and blood oxygen tracking. While not a replacement for medical devices, these tools offer valuable insights into your wellness, helping you stay proactive about your health. Shield rugged yet refined design. The Ultra 3 features a slightly larger chassis with a slimmer profile, durable build for extreme conditions, sleek aesthetics for everyday wear. From mountain trails to boardroom meetings, this watch fits every lifestyle. Busts in silhouette. Who should buy the Ultra 3? While designed for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes, the Ultra 3 is ideal for professionals seeking advanced features, health-conscious users, anyone who values durability, performance, and style. Its versatility makes it a top choice for both adventure seekers and everyday users. Money-bag expected price and availability. Apple hasn't confirmed pricing yet, but the Ultra 3 is expected to start around $899, similar to the Ultra 2. Availability will likely follow Apple's usual release timeline, so fans won't have to wait long to upgrade.